Hey, welcome to my kitchen. I'm your host, Vince Gervasi, and today we're going to be peeling and chopping garlic here in Vince's kitchen. So today we're actually going to be discussing 3 ways to peel garlic. First off, we'll list them off in method 3, 2, 1 order, so to speak. So basically I'm just cleaning off these bulbs. Now this particular garlic isn't all the healthier, but this is great just for as an example. I'm not going to be cooking with these because obviously they're getting old. However, method number 3. This is what my dad used to do. He used to basically chop the top off the garlic using a paring knife and then just peel away the skins. This particular method, not a big fan of, just because it takes too long. At least in my eyes, it takes too long. Now that only took a few seconds, but once again, for me, it's not my preference. Method number 2, you can always, once again, just pop the top, do a little squish, and it just comes right out. Easy peasy, nice and easy. And then finally, method number 3, not too much difference, but you pop the top off again, you take your really big knife and with the blade away from you and give it a nice big squish. What this does, what I like this and why I like this being method number 1 is that it breaks up and starts to give the essence of the garlic coming out. Now, as you're sitting there slicing and dicing, you smell that garlic aroma, you can get into it. Now, there's another way, minced garlic. Let's grab another bulb here. You leave the stem on, right? Give it a good pop. With the stem still on. Now this is really small, so I'm not going to use this big knife, but I'll go back to my little paring knife. So what I'll do is, I'll just, not going all the way to the stem, I'll do a little slice, being very careful, and then using proper cutting techniques, and you have minced garlic. If you wanted to step it up a notch, you could rock your big butcher knife, get it together, and just, oh, cameras and tables moving, not too cool. Anyways, you get the picture. Thanks for joining me today. Really hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and definitely ask questions and comments down below. Thanks for coming to my party. Love you, mean it, here at Vince's Kitchen.